in just 5 minutes will unlock your back, breathe life into your posture, and release the hidden tension that's draining your focus. Let's hit the mat. Start in a tabletop position. On your inhale, drop your belly and lift your chest, cow. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin, cat. Flow slowly with your breath. This move rehydrates your spine after hours of lying still and reminds every vertebra where it's supposed to go. I promise this one move alone can increase energy, boost your breath, and relieve back tension. Beginners, keep the movement small. Advanced stretches, close your eyes and sink deeply with your breath. Here's a surprising fact. Your spine can shrink up to 3/4 of an inch overnight due to discompression. This re-expands it. Let's flow for 5 more seconds. Deepen the arch, deepen the curve. Do you feel more space yet between your shoulders and hips? That just woke up your spine. Now let's activate your support system. Still in tabletop, extend your right arm forward and left leg back. Hold and balance, then switch. This might look simple, but it's one of the best movements for deep core strength and spinal stability. I promise this builds the muscles that protect your back from injury all day. Beginners, keep toes and fingers lightly on the ground. Advanced stretches, add a slow elbow to knee crunch. Bird dog activates more spinal stabilizers than sit-ups. Let's hold each side for 5 more seconds. Reach like someone's pulling both ends. Can you feel the glutes and the abs firing at the same time? That just locked in your core. Now let's stretch those upper vertebrae. Elbows inside knees. Press knees outward. Rotate one arm to the sky. T rotation, then alternate. This move links your spine, hips, and shoulders. If you sit a lot, this is the antidote. I promise you'll feel more upright, balanced, and even more alert after this one. Beginners, keep one hand on the floor for support. Advanced stretches, sink deeper and slow your rotation. Most people think their posture is weak, when really their thoracic spine is just stuck. Hold your final rotation for 5 seconds each side. Reach tall. Is one side tighter? That tells you exactly where to focus this week. That just synced your spine with your hips. Let's finish with full body length. Stand tall. Reach your right arm overhead. Lean to the left. Switch sides and keep alternating. This is the final stretch to lengthen and energize your sides, so you can breathe better, stand taller, and move smoother. I promise if you do this consistently, your waistline will look longer and your back will feel younger. Beginners, keep it gentle. Advanced stretches, reach slightly behind you for a deeper curve. This move targets the QL, the secret muscle that connects your ribs to your hips. Let's lean into the final stretch for 5 more seconds. Are you tighter on the dominant side? That imbalance is fixable, and this is the first step. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy. Even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.